So to fix this problem, first of all, head straight to your phone settings. So when you get to your phone settings, scroll a little bit and tap on apps and notification. By depends on the phone that you're using, sometimes you may see apps or apps and preference. Just tap on it, it's all the same. After that, when you get over here, tap on the see or apps. Now you have to wait. As you can see, it's loading. So after loading, just scroll and you are going to find the name of the app, which is HMRC. So just tap on it when you find it. Now when you get over here, tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is turned on. As you can see over here, it has been turned on. Go back and also tap on storage and cache, and make sure you tap on the clear cache to clear the cache. Go back and tap on permissions and make sure the camera permission is allowed, and also make sure the storage permission is also allowed. After doing this, go back and tap on the force stop, tap on OK and tap on notifications, and make sure the show notification is turned on like this. After that, what you have to do lastly is to tap on your go to your Google Play Store and try to update this app. So to update this app, what you have to do is to tap over here on the updates, as you can see over here. So when you tap on this update over here, you're going to get the latest update of this app, and this app is, or this problem is going to fix after updating your app over here. Sometimes when it's facing this problem, you have to just update it and restart the device. So what you have to do after updating is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart and tap on OK, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.